Hello, it's Brian Rezny. It's question and answer day. And one of the questions that I get often is about estate planning, wills, and trusts. And I've noticed in the last month or so, I'm getting more questions on law firms that are offering these special trusts where you can protect your assets against Medicare, Medicaid in case you had to go into a nursing home. And I will tell you that from the language I've seen on some of these trusts, I would doubt that these things would stand up based upon really the laws in Florida and other states. So one of the things that you have to remember, if you try to hide assets because you don't want to pay for a loved one going into skilled nursing care, obviously that's illegal. If you're one of these law firms that is touting these irrevocable trusts, where you make the owner, the trustees of the money of this particular trust, the trustees, under Florida statute, at least from what I'm reading, you can't do that. So make sure you understand, if you're trying to avoid paying a bill that you probably are due, and you're trying to protect your assets, and you're going to spend $10,000 to do so, it may not work at all. A lot of people do a lot of things legally that are probably not correct. And there's a lot of lawyers out there, unfortunately, that want to charge a huge sum of money for an estate plan that should cost a fraction of what they're charging. There's no silver bullet. There's no magic scheme out there to really protect your money. There's look-back periods. And ultimately, where do you want your loved ones to go? A Medicare facility that may be substandard, or a quality facility? The other question I often get is, well, if somebody does go to a nursing home, I was told they could be there 2.5 to 3 years plus. I will tell you statistically, I've never seen that data. I'm not sure where these law firms come up with this information, or these insurance people that sell long-term care policies. A lot of people that go into nursing homes, I would say a lot of them might be there 3 or 4 months. That's it. If you're going into a nursing home, chances are you're very sick and elderly, and you're going in there as kind of the last stand. If you have Alzheimer's, could you be there 5 or 6 years? That's a possibility. But how many people do you know with Alzheimer's that have been in a nursing home for 4 or 5 years? So remember, you can do things to kind of play some games, shell games with your money. There may be a magical trust out there. I doubt it on estate planning. Good quality planning, good money management with your assets, in our opinion, go a long way. Make sure you don't get duped by some attorney at some free dinner seminar about some special trust that may not be valid in the state of Florida. Make sure you have yourself a safe and profitable day. And as always, if you're not a client of Rezny Wealth Management and you want to become a client, we do manage larger portfolios, give our office a call. We can sit down, discuss our services, and see if we can help you get back on track. Have a great day.